Our 19th Sunday of Ordinary Time then pretty much picks up where we left off last week. It's a real sequel as the bread of life discourse continues in John's Gospel, and Jesus reminds us that he is the living bread come down from heaven. So we're opening again with I am the bread of life as a follow-on from last week, but a different combination of verses. And our wonderful theme psalm comes around, taste and see the goodness of the Lord, in the responsorial psalm, picking up the thread of that theme, like I've been talking about, that this sequence of Sundays through this part of Ordinary Time is really about celebrating the goodness of God. So we've got a Eucharistic offertory song, Lord accept the gifts we offer, and then we are repeating our new worship song, Goodness of God, at communion, and using that as our reprise at the end. And I really hope that the congregation discerns, as these Sundays unfold, the thematic thread that we've tried to create with the music. You know, if we can pick up some of this language in our bidding prayers and in the homily, then that thread would be a little bit more obvious and stronger. But we're not at that level of collaboration yet in my own parish. Maybe you are in yours, but I long for it. I know that we can really create a profound and fruitful experience of the liturgy that really helps people to grow in Christ. That's what we're aiming for.